So we have arrived in Dunn's River. Not a lot of vehicles yet, just the way we like it, until later when everybody will be here.
Welcome to Dunn River Falls and Park, you know. What your fellas can represent. Trouble, I'm out.
Hey, hello guys, welcome to Dunn River. Hope you guys have a good day and hope you guys visit, okay? Haha.
After working hard for weeks on end, we headed down to Dunn's River Falls right there in St. Anne for a wonderful day of fun, and yes, more fun. Hope you enjoyed.
Welcome to Dunn River Falls and Park, yo.
Yeah, man.
To get into Dunn's River, it will cost you the following: $25 or Jamaican equivalent for non-resident adult, $17 or Jamaican equivalent for non-resident child, 1,000 Jamaican per resident adult, and $500 Jamaican for resident child. To enter Dunn's River, residents must show a valid ID card or Jamaican driver's license so as not to pay the non-resident rate. Dunn's River is said to be the scene of the legendary historic Battle of Las Chorreras, a battle fought on the 30th of October 1657 between the Spanish and the English for ownership of the land, during which the Spanish were defeated. In England's triumph over Spain, the name of the island seemed to be lost in translation and was somehow reduced to the Spanish name Ocho Rios, meaning 8 rivers, changing it from Las Chorreras. The irony is that there aren't 8 rivers in Ocho Rios, there are only 4.
Welcome to Dunn River Falls, man. My name is Xayamaca, man. This is what we do, you know. We make all this stuff, you know. Good price with the maker, so you buy from the maker, you pay less. Welcome to the river, man.
Welcome to the Dunn River Falls. This is Israel one-stop shop, you know. Yeah, man. So I have a variety here, a craft, t-shirts, souvenir and everything, you know. And remember now we have discount. We cater for local, foreigner, you know. Every time we do the thing, man.
Yeah, man, you show it up, man.
Yeah, man, show them thing, man.
So we need a thing to spread, you know? Dunn's River Park offers 2 climbs, a wet climb and a dry climb. If you are not a fan of getting wet, then the dry climb would be the best suited for you. The wet climb entails walking within the falls and through the water, so a swimsuit or anything that will dry quickly are suitable for the climb. The dry climb, however, involves a walking trail alongside the falls. Both trails are equally as fun, but only the wet climb will take you to the summit. A brisk 1 hour and 30-minute hike will take you on an exhilarating adventure through lush surroundings with pools you can swim in, dotting all the way to the summit. Located at the base of the falls, Dunn's River Falls Beach has a spectacular view of the cascading waterfalls. All-day beach access is included in your falls adventure, so take a run on the beach, take a stroll while admiring the flora near the falls, including tropical flora like bamboo, crotons, ferns, ginger lilies, orchids, and a variety of palm and breadfruit trees. Or simply watch the sunset while relaxing on the beach at the foot of the descent. You would have surely seen the beauty of the region in the James Bond film Dr. No, or beach scenes from Cocktails with Tom Cruise, or in more recent years, a fashionista's paradise in an episode of America's Next Top Model.
Businessman, carver, and everything, you know.
Your one too?
No, my one over there.
Alright. For a variety of culinary experience, head over to the cafeteria which serves jerk chicken, pork, fish, and a variety of snacks. For a lovely day out with friends and family, pack your own picnic and cook your favorites on grills scattered around the park.
The Kiddie Splash Park is a mini water park area designated for kids. It is equipped with a small slide and an exciting feature where kids can get dunked with pouring water from revolving buckets above. There are also water nozzles that send water a variety of distances in the air. The splash pad is small but well thought out and very functional. Adults seem to enjoy the splash pad more than children, and we hope that a family splash pad can be installed very soon.
You know, we Jamaicans are simple people. And in the end, after working so hard, we just want to relax like anybody else. And these are the places that we need to go. So grab the kids, take your family, grab some good friends, and head out somewhere where you can enjoy life. Because in the end, money alone is not enjoyment, and life is short. So take care and see you next time. We don't know where we'll be going next, but you'll be there with us. Thank you guys so much.